guys, Josh here.
And Michelle.
And we are Adventures Ahead. Today we got Treat Box. So yeah, this is what?
Don't know. August.
This is what?
August treat box?
Yeah. Oh, is that?
I don't remember. Somebody told
This
us.
is the flag.
We don't know what it is. South Korea!
Seoul, South Korea. Go ahead and show them that. Read off a couple of the facts.
All right,
Holy.
The facts are the population is 51 million. The temperature is climate. The government type is presidential republic. They have 90% of the world's seaweed used for consumption.
Ew, I hate
South
seaweed.
Korea.
I hate seaweed.
Live octopus is frequently consumed. South Korea is known as the world's capital of plastic surgery. Are you talking about my gray hair?
No, Jimmy Buffett.
Oh.
Are you kidding me right now? Don't make me say your gums are bleeding again.
Shut up. I'm going to smack you. Let's get this box 8.
Okay. So the first thing we got is Cocoa Pie. And we got 2 of them, but let's just open up one.
Yeah.
So, with marshmallow filling. Show that one. We got 2, but we'll save one. Why not? Okay. Crack-a-lackin'. It says, Cocoa Pies are biscuit layer with chocolate and marshmallow. Chocolate coating of the chocolate pie surrounded the inner layer of the marshmallow. Fun tip. Some people prefer to freeze the cocoa pie before eating it.
Oh.
This looks good, dude. This looks like a, it looks like a moon pie.
It's better than moon pie.
Looks just like
I don't like a moon pie.
This is a moon pie.
No, this is better. You think it's better?
This is literally a moon pie.
Nope. The moon pies I've had are bunk. That's better.
This is a moon pie,
Let me
guys.
have another bite.
No.
Oh, I see something you're really gonna like. We should have that next.
I didn't bring up nothing to drink.
You didn't.
Oh, sick.
Toasted seaweed.
Toasted seaweed. Roasted seaweed, otherwise known as laver. It's
Ew.
traditional Korean snack made from seaweed. Seasoned and toasted in perfection. Crunchy in texture and flavor and taste. This snack is a favorite in Asia. Well, not in this house.
I like.
I mean, I'll give it a roll. I didn't bring up a beer.
You want some of my Diet Pepsi?
Should have brought up a beer.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I gotta go get one here.
You lush.
Yep.
Ooh. Toonie.
Toonie don't like that. She spit this shit out. Look at this. Ew! No. I'm only having a little tiny piece. It's goddamn fish food.
Not my favorite.
This is the thickest stuff of all time.
It's okay. It's not the
Well,
worst
eat it for
thing.
lunch tonight then.
It's not the worst thing I've ever had from a box like this, but it's
Oh.
okay.
Like the chocolate's not even covering up right now.
Are you okay? We're gonna have to pause.
I don't know.
Okay.
Get this one up. This is butter coconut. Butter coconut biscuit are crunchy, delectable cookies that may catch you off guard from the first bite. You take its unique taste of buttery palate with a hint of coconut.
Oh,
Michelle!
I didn't realize.
Oh,
They're broken.
She made a big mess. Oh, Toonie.
Yeah, she said, let's get that seaweed taste on my mouth, Dad.
She said, why in the hell did...
These are really
Yeah.
coconutty.
Oh,
They're
good.
This is what a full cracker looks like. It's like sugar coated. I don't know if you can see that.
Man, these are super good.
These would be good in like a hot chocolate, like dump them.
Really good.
Ooh. Whoa.
I mean, look. So these are Kencho Choco biscuit.
Uh-huh.
Our bite-sized crunchy biscuits filled with chocolate filling. They are like koala yummies or whatever they were
I
called.
like those.
They come in a cute packaging with adorable-looking love snack mascot named Canny and Chony.
What's the point of this box?
Because they're cute and animated.
Oh, I opened it wrong.
Yep, you sure did.
It's supposed to be like this.
Stirred it up.
I like the koalas. What are these? Just balls?
So they got a print on them, but you can't hardly see it.
What is it? A cat? Mmm. They're alright.
They're good.
They're alright.
You can't hardly see what's printed on them.
It's like this character.
They're not as good as koala yummies.
No, they're not.
But
They're good. They're better than seaweed.
seaweed was...
Mmm, look at this. This is what I'm looking forward to.
White cookie pepero. White cookie pepero are biscuit sticks dipped in a thick layer of cookies and cream coating. It's so
Like hockey
popular in
sticks.
Korea that it has its own national holiday called Pepero Day. November 11th.
Papada, papada.
Did you? What?
I don't know. I felt like doing that. Hey, look at.
Mmm.
Mmm. So this part's like a cracker,
Mmm.
and then it looks like that. It's pretty good.
It's really good.
It's not like a Pocky stick,
Mm-mm.
but it's better.
Yeah. Say it again.
Papato, papato. Oh.
There's actually an R in it. Pepero.
Papato.
Okay. Okay, so yeah,
What's your
that's it.
favorite thing?
Favorite thing is gonna
Mine
have
was this.
the moon pie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's not a moon pie.
I'll have to say this is up favorite too.
This
the
is
worst,
a close second.
The worst is the stank seaweed with a salt.
That our
packet in
dog
it.
wouldn't even eat.
Got a salt packet.
That's not a salt packet.
Oh,
That's a Stay Fresh packet.
well, it needs to be ripped open and poured all over it.
It says do not eat. It's one of those things that keeps stuff dry. Like
Okay.
you get in a purse.
So next time is clue for next month. Tweets come to you from a country in Europe close to the Baltic Sea. This country is known for many things, including being home to some of Europe's greatest medieval architecture structures.
Don't know.
Look, peoples, don't know it either. So we'll go with it.
We're not very good with geography or
No, we're not good with
history
anything like that. Okay, guys. Oh, we got our new T-shirts on. Look at that. Stress less, cruise more.
My best hashtag would have life.
If you want a T-shirt, go to Teesprings Ventures Ahead. Check them out, guys.
And if you don't, that's fine.
Yeah, we got a bunch of other shirts too. One of our new shirts we did, and it's pretty popular, is cruise, drink, gamble, repeat.
Yep.
Check it out. Bye, guys.
Bye.